What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. Good morning to each and every one of us. Without wasting much of our time, we could see clearly right here that Ethereum is going the exact way I predicted. So things I have been predicting a very bullish week since last weekend. So if you've been watching my videos, you definitely know what I've been saying all this while, and I gave us the reason why I was expecting a bullish week, and I made it known to us that one of the reasons why I was expecting a bullish week was because, number one, the market has been down for a while. For 5-6 months the market has been down, and definitely we are getting into the phase of inflation. This is us creeping into inflation, and we can't go just all the way straight down into the inflation phase, because the inflation phase is going to take a very long time to get out of. So the inflation phase is where you and I, we have to accumulate. You and I, we have to do some logical calculations to know how we have to position ourselves in this market. So without even wasting much of your time, looking at the chart right now on Ethereum, everything is still related to Bitcoin. As we can see, the whole market is still related to Bitcoin. In fact, looking at the way things are right now, Bitcoin is looking its strongest. Bitcoin is looking its strongest right now. It's very difficult to say that, okay, there is a lot of coin that can actually that's outperforming Bitcoin. Now, in terms of outperforming, I don't mean by percentage of like volume or percentage of rally for that day. No, I'm talking about in terms of how strong that particular market is, that particular altcoin or that particular commodity is. So, or asset, crypto asset is. So with the look of things right here, Bitcoin is still the OG around here, and Bitcoin is still what most of these altcoins are correlated to. So if Bitcoin doesn't move, they can't move. So right now we could see Bitcoin is actually strong, looking strong, and the market alone is strong. So for Ethereum right now, we could see that Ethereum, as we can see, is approaching resistance. ETH is definitely approaching resistance. Now, what we definitely need to have in mind, because if you've been following my channel, my videos, you definitely know what to expect. So I'll be taking all of this away from here. So with the look of things right here, Ethereum is approaching resistance, so which is very good. So what we should be expecting right now is a rally into this resistance right here at 2105. If we can't break above this level, we should expect a little bit of correction, probably into this level right here at 1991. Once we're able to find support, we could probably rally into this resistance again, get rejected, and we can majorly break out again before finding major supports around here, then taking off. This is definitely the way I see it playing out. Now, why do I think we're most likely going to find support around here at 1991? Because as you can see right here, there's some level of support around this level. If I should place this here, if I can place this here, you can see, sorry, I have to adjust this to probably 2 pixels. If I can adjust this right now, you could see that there have been a lot of touches around here. So you can see touches here, touches here, touches here, touches here, touches here. So all this right here are touches we definitely need to have in mind. You can see we couldn't break out of here, touches here, touches here, touches here. Even after we broke out of this level, we still have to retest that level. So that is definitely what we need to have in mind. That is definitely what we need to have in mind. So I think with the look of things right now, we need to consider this level as a major support, which is 1995. Just within this level, we need to find support around here before taking off. So it seems like we've found that support around here already. So we might just break out of here. We might just break out of here and retest. Then we could rally much higher. This might be how things might play out. This might be how things might play out, because we've kind of retested this level right here, as you can see. So from the daily, we might have to retest it again. from the daily, I do not know how that is certain, but from the daily we might still retest it. On, you know, time will tell. So without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe. The market is still rallying. I'm so happy that I kept on telling us. The funny part is that while I was telling us that okay, the market is rallying, due to the fact that oil was kind of dumping yesterday, I exited my trade. Trust me, guys, I won't lie to you. I exited my trade in loss. My Bitcoin and Ethereum trade, which I've been holding for like a month now, I exited it and I re-entered. So when I re-entered, my liquidation price changed from 55,000 all the way to 33,000, which I'm happy because at the end of the day, I want to catch the bottom. So making little gains right now isn't really doing that much for me, but you know, yeah, it's kind of hurtful that I kind of exited the market because I wanted to exit the market if Bitcoin hit 64k. I'm saying it because obviously I had an Ethereum position open, which I, you know, exited. But another Ethereum position is kind of open with my liquidation price at $680 something. So there's nothing to be panic about. I'm still in the game. I'm still right here trading with each and every one of us. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.